All right, and welcome back. Earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Paula Peterson on how producers move their cattle to corn stalks after harvest. And Paula's here now with a recipe to share. And what are you making today?
This is a fruit cream cheese wrap. I tried to find different things to throw in lunch boxes, and I do a lot with chocolate and heavier stuff, so every now and then I try to sneak in something healthy.
That's good, that's good. Although I like the heavier stuff too.
I do too.
Yeah.
But this is super easy. It's just a handful of ingredients. You just have cream cheese and sugar and vanilla, and this makes kind of like a cheesecake base.
Okay, okay. So that vanilla helps do that.
It does.
Give that taste.
Yeah, and like I was telling you a little bit ago, Zach and I were talking yesterday after I tried it. We think if we threw a little either strawberry preserves or apricot or something in to the mix, it would just add that extra pop.
Oh, yeah.
You just take the cream cheese,
okay,
and you'll smear it. Schmear, right?
Schmear,
a schmear
yes.
of cream cheese. All across the tortilla shells, and I'm using whole wheat. Corn wouldn't work very good because they crumble a little bit, but either the whole wheat flour or the regular flour tortilla would work really well.
Okay.
That would be my only thing there. And then you just kind of fill in the area, and you add kiwi down the middle.
You like kiwi?
Not a huge fan of it on its own, but I like it when it's mixed with other fruit.
Right, right.
I don't know if I could sit down and eat kiwi.
Just alone, but
I don't
putting
know
it
if
in this makes it
Yeah, it works for me.
colorful too.
It does, and I love strawberries, and I could put strawberries in anything. And so you just line it in, and then you could, if you feel like you want blueberries, you know, something extra to add to it. I suppose you could even do like raspberries, if that was your thing. And then you put bananas down the middle.
Oh, yeah.
And that is what helps seal it when you mash it together. And then you freeze this for, it says 10 minutes, I would go a half hour. And then you just roll it up like you would a tortilla.
Okay. Oh, wow.
And shove,
Look at that.
shove everything back into it.
Okay.
And when you stick it in a pan, you'll want to put it seal down.
Okay, right.
Because when you freeze it, then it'll hold.
Okay.
And then once it's thawed out, you just put
Final
it
product.
in the final product. Yep. And you can.
the final product, I'm going to try.
Yes.
And I'm going to dip it in a little bit of honey too.
Yes, Zach said the honey made all the difference for it. He really liked it with the honey in it.
It's good. I got only one strawberry on the table.
You did good.
Nothing on my shirt.
So far.
So I'm good, yeah. Thank you, Paula, for being here
Thanks,
today.
John.
That's really good.